Hey guys, I'm at Thompson Building Supply out in their side yard looking at all the different samples. They have a pretty cool place. It's covered. They have all the stacked stone on the side, and then they also have the pavers down below with different numbers so that you can then figure out exactly the pavers you're looking for. They also have fire pits. They have Belgard porcelain on the side. They have Orco around, Ackerstone. Just a pretty cool display all the way around. So I'm going to show you something else. Here's Ackerstone's board on back and some new exclusive series. Kind of cool. I've showed you the coastal series before with the mother of pearl shells in it. Now this is a new one. It's Umbriano gray stone. Has a really nice texture to it. Non-skid surface, wet or dry. And you definitely feel the different textures in the stone itself. So love this new series. Can't wait to see some down in place and share that with you. Let's go check out one more spot. As you come inside Thompson Building Supply Design Center, they have all the different materials on the floor, and it's all enclosed so that during the wintertime, summertime, it's nice and cool. But you can go through, pick out whatever board works for you, for your fireplace, your walls, almost anything. And then you can come over here, love this section, all the different rocks. And they're all laid out. You can take a little baggie, take a sample of what you like, and then bring it home. So, but they put a lot of time and effort into this area. So anyway, just want to give you a little sneak peek at Thompson Building Supply in Orange at the Design Center. Love this place. Anyway, Dave Pratt, 714-580-8634. I'm out.